The replace function in Excel replaces one or more characters in a text string with another character or a set of characters. The replace function is useful for replacing text at a specified position in a string. Replace function has 4 arguments. Old text. Text are a reference to a cell with text in which you want to replace some characters. Start num. The position of the first character in old text that you want to replace. Num chars. The number of characters you want to replace. New text. The text to replace old text with. For example, we have SSNs and in column A. To replace 6 characters starting at the first character with the new text 000-00, use the formula. New text does not need to be the same length as num chars. SSN in column A is 11 characters, so the number of characters is 11. The names in column B have variable lengths. To replace the SSN number in A2 with the names in B2, use the following formula in C2. SSN has been replaced with names. Now you have names and date of birth in column C2. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.